Doc.
Yes, good morning.
Anong ganap?
It's Wednesday, so may mga patient iba-ibang lugar. Pupuntahan ako dito sa HQC. Okay? And eto natutuwa ako, no? They want to consult a doctor regarding their health, their lifestyle, kasi gusto nila mag-improve. Okay? May mga health condition man sila and they want to learn more regarding our advocacy. Tapos ang isa pa, no, may mga nagpapakonsulta din sa akin 1 year, 2 years na naglo-low carb, do it yourself, and imagine they want to learn, malaman kung okay ba yung ginagawa nila. And hindi lang yon, yung iba kasi hindi pa rin na tatanggal ang kanilang gamot. Bakit? Hindi, may mga nararamdaman pa rin silang mga discomfort, and yun yung mga isa-isa nating aayusin because they have no idea, kasi do it yourself eh. Ginaya lang nila, and yung iba very good kung nag-improve, kung okay. Yung iba hindi, marami pang nangyayari. So this lifestyle, this advocacy, adapt and evolve. Consult your doctor. Bye.